Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. I have been covering a lot of models and tools from various providers. One of the provider which I haven't really put in much trouble I would say is Anthropic's models. I have covered a lot of them but not as much as I would like to test them out. For example, I mainly focus on open source and free models, and if I have to go with the API models, I normally either go with OpenAI or with Google's models. The main reason is that last year when I started testing out these models from Anthropic, especially their Sonnet and Claude models, I found out that they were relatively expensive than the OpenAI's ones, and also the offering at that time was not generous enough. And look, I have no affiliation with Anthropic or any other provider, so I'll be as straightforward and candid as I always do on the channel. I still believe Anthropic is relatively expensive than the rest of the lot. So if I have to put in a model in a production environment, as of today, as I speak, I might not go with Anthropic's model. Having said that, their recent model, especially the Sonnet model, is really top-notch model, very good quality model. And lately, Anthropic has been releasing a lot of good tooling around AI, and I have decided to cover few of them because it seems that they have come a long way and the prices have dropped a bit too, but not as much as we would hope them to be, but hopefully that is going to be fixed soon. One of the economical way which I have found out using these Anthropics model is through AWS Bedrock or AWS SageMaker, especially AWS Bedrock, which is a managed service from AWS Cloud, where you can use these Anthropics models through API calls. I already have done heaps of videos around that. I have also used Anthropics models, so if you're interested, you can check it out. That is a bit economical, I would say, but in this video, what I'm going to show you is a very good tool, which I think if you are just starting out in AI, you want to do some model access and play around with this sort of stuff, or if you even want to do some real fast, focused, and deep work with AI on your Windows system or Mac operating system in your desktop environment, then this application which you see on your screen, Claude for Desktop, looks quite cool. All you need to do is to just go to their website and then whatever operating system you're using, Windows or Mac, just download it accordingly, and then it's few hundred MBs file, maybe 100 MB. You just double click on it and it is going to open this desktop application for you. So the first option is for the Intel compatible architecture, and the second one is with ARM. More than likely you will be selecting the first one, which is selected by default, and I believe it also checks your OS and then selects it automatically. So I already have downloaded it. Let me launch it and show you how exactly it looks like when you first time launch it. First time when you launch this application, you are presented with this screen where you need to sign in. And also this Anthropic is just like OpenAI. You would have to buy the credit in order to use it. They do offer some free credits, a free account, but you won't go far with that. When I have tried it out, it just runs out fairly quickly, and you have to put in some, I think you can just start with $5 US, which I already have done. So hopefully I would be able to show you something here. So let me log in with my email address and then I will show you next. And there you go, you can see that now here it's a simple chat bot where you can just ask it any questions you like, and you can see that I am on the unlimited free plan, which I said that it doesn't have much. You just need to upgrade if you really want to do something useful. Now here you can not only ask it different things, but you can also upload your document with it and then chat with your own document. This is sort of a managed track here where it will not only go through your own document, but also it will set the context, and by using its own intelligence it will give you more grounded answer. One interesting bit is this where you can choose the style. You can go with normal, you can go with concise, which is a short response, explanatory, which will go into a bit more detail, especially if you want to, or you are doing some learning, and then there is a formal, which is for the business purposes. You can also create your own styles if you like. Maybe you just want a pirate style, you just want to speak in English or Australian English, something like that, you can also go with those create. And so if you click on create and edit style, you can do something like that, or you can create your custom style where you will just give it a head writing example, or you could click here describe writing style. Then you can just tell it that okay, define style objectives. You can say that okay, I just want to speak in Australian English, or you just want to say okay, I just want to speak with um, food industry professionals, or you could just say that I just want to use a angry tone or something like that, very stern professor, or just a general. So it's very very customizable. I think style is what I really this really like about this Anthropic, and this was the main reason I actually went with decided to start exploring this tool. And then there are a few other things. For example, if you click here, you see that I'm just using my own email for this. If you click here, you can go check your API. I normally use the API for the paid plan, because this gives me just like an OpenAI is compatible API which I could use with Anthropic's model. And then you can also change the appearance, and you can click on dark to make it dark, which I always prefer. And then there are few tidbits. So and then you can just start talking with it. Like you can ask it, who is Fat Mirza, the AI YouTuber. I'm not sure if I have left with few credits, but let's see. It is going to produce the response. So it says that it's not aware of me, which is a shame. So then okay, we'll just say okay. And by the way, I think it is using Haiku as a free model, but if you upgrade, you will go with this Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which I will say it again, one of the best models at the moment. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select the file which contains my information, and then I will also go with the style. I'll say create and edit style, then create custom style. I'll just describe the style. I'll say uh, maybe I'll just say here describe generally, write like an Australian writer in Australian informal English. And then I'll just say generate style, and then let's wait for it. It takes a bit of a time, and it says Aussie banter. You see, it already have given us. And then there are a few options which you can. I'll just say I don't want to rename the style. I think this looks good. You can also preview with an example. For example, if you just want to go with a short story, you just click here. It is going as the short story. There you go. The train was packed tighter than a tin of Milo, and Dave was already sweating like a okay. Just another bloody Monday, he reckoned. So you see, it's a totally typical Australian banter, and it's just very friendly. Don't worry about the tone and tenor. Okay, so let's go back. So Aussie banter is here, and I'll just use it, and I'm just going to click X here. Okay, now so then you just click here on the choose style, go with Aussie banter, and then you can ask it what is happiness. I should have said what is happiness, mate. But anyway, so it's right. Oh, let me break down happiness for you in true blue Aussie style. There you go. How good is that? You see? Very, very nice. Okay, let me see if I have file about myself, and then I'll upload it and talk to it. So I have just uploaded a file, and I'm again asking it who is Fahad Mirza. Let's see. There you go. So now it knows. So the legend top notch AI and cloud engineer who got more tech skills than a computer shop has spare parts. He's not just your average tech geek, he's a bonzer. YouTube with a massive following, a technical blogger who knows his onions, and conference speaker to boot. Based in Sydney, crikey, what a spot. Fahad's the kind of bloke who's gone at. Okay, so I think I should just stop reading it, but it is quite good. And Australian English is amazing. I'll just end it with my favorite Australian idiom, fair income. There you go. So you see, Anthropic's desktop application is quite cool, and if you really want to do it for some production grade work, you can do so too. I would highly suggest that. For that, you should go to Pro plan, which is of course a paid option, but you can check the pricing at Anthropic's website. I don't have it because I think I am already spending a lot on their API, so and already on the brink of getting bankrupt. But anyway, how you can help is you can subscribe to the channel and share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.